gonna be sea scallop ceviche over hama oysters. And I have one pack, I think this was 2 pounds of U10 sea scallops. And I've laid them out on a paper towel. What I'll do is look through and find the ones, the small ones, and ones that are maybe broken apart. I'll use the big, nice looking ones for searing, and I'll chop up the other ones. All right, so once I have these selected, I will cut them up. There we go, go in the bowl. And then I'm gonna hit that with my lime juice right away. Cut them in half, then we'll juice them in here, and we'll check back in. All right, so next thing I'm gonna hit is the garlic. To get that in there, give it some time to open up in that lime juice. Average person would probably only go with 1 clove for this amount, but I like raw garlic and what it does is just ceviche. So I'm going with 2, just because it's gonna be hit it hard. And again, I don't want any chunks of raw garlic. We want a little paste, so I'll bring it all together like that. Start it with the knife, the blade, and then give it some salt. And then we'll kind of use that salt to turn out a paste. Good? Oh, mangoes next. I'm gonna use a peeler here. Seeds right down the middle. Hug it with the knife, put that away. Cut it in half. There. So kind of peel this away. Follow. There's 100 different ways to do the avocado. When I'm doing sushi or ceviche, this is how I do it. Get the pit out, and then I'll cut it in half this way. Like that. Skin off again, this will tell you what you're working with. I know there's some issues on that piece. So with the same amount of mango. Tomatoes are up next. The tomatoes, we don't really want much other than the skin. Serrano, we're gonna leave the seeds in there. Good. That'll give us a good spread. Purple onion, Bermuda, whatever you want to call it. I like what I'm seeing, but I want a little more dark green, so we're gonna go with some cilantro. And I will also get some more limes in here. I'm not seeing much liquor down the bottom. Bam. Cilantro. Not too much, not too little, some good heat. We'll hit this in the fridge, shuck these oysters. Again, give it a twist, clean the knife. Careful here, in the top, loose the top. I'm just gonna do one more right in the middle. Okay, we got 6 plus 1 in the middle. We've got our ceviche. Let's make this happen, boys. There you have it. It took about 15 minutes to throw all this together. I'm gonna call this one the Paleo Surf and Serve. With scallop ceviche and hama oysters. I'm Paleo Nick, reminding you, even when it comes to cold shellfish, possible to keep it paleo.